Hello everyone, good morning. Today we'll be looking at how to make our cake trifle. What is cake trifle? Uh, Cake trifle is a combination of cake and whipped cream with your cake crumbs, your whipped cream, or your custard cream. That's your pastry custard cream. Whatever filling you'd like to use, blend it all in one cup. That's your cake trifle. So today we're going to begin with my cake crumbs, as you can see over here. I wouldn't want these crumbs to waste, so I'm going to make a trifle out of it. I will prepare a Valentine themed trifle. Here we have our love sprinkles, we have our chocolate topping, we have our chocolate chips. So pay attention, watch closely as we prepare our trifle. Now this is our cup. We take our circle cutter to cut the cake so they fit perfectly into this cup. We have various sizes of cutter. Yeah, this will work for the base part of the cup, while this will work for the top part of the cup. Watch closely. So we'll look for the bigger part of our crumbs and then we cut it. Alright, so here we go. We start with our base. We're going to make about let's say 3 to 4 to 5 layers. You can also use ice cream here for this too. You just do cake and ice cream, or ice cream and cake in a cup. So we cut our smaller circle and then we cut the bigger circle. Alright, so now we start with layering our cake. So first of all, you want to put a cake at the base of your cup. As you can see, sitting nicely. And then we take custard cream or whipped cream. Like I said, this is a combination of custard and whipped cream to give it a beautiful taste. So you want to pipe that all the way. Okay, you can add your chocolate chips, you can add your coconut shavings, anything you'd like to add. Just make sure it is targeted to the tip of the cup. Okay, and we add our second layer of cake. We add our cream. We want to add our love sprinkles. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just applying the sprinkles to the side of the cup. so that they would look really, really beautiful. So we add our cream right there. So that should help hold your cake. And then we put in more cake. And then we add more cream. At this point you can add your chocolate chip. Okay, and then add our final layer of cake. And then pipe your cream topping. Okay, can we see that? Now you apply your toppings. Apply your love sprinkles. You can get creative with your cake. Alright, can we see that? Yeah.